Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this Japan Cup 2020 Neo-Vqs, and let's see what's in this box. Let's go. Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body is poly. Very sexy, very sexy body. So here, just gonna put this one on here and you can see much more easily. Okay, so finally we got new type of the poly body, and this looks really sick. And this is the stickers and comes for this body. Okay. Alright, then next we're gonna see the parts. So the parts is I call yellow. Okay, so this is very this color is not that much. I remember the last time I see this kind of a color was on the one of the Hyundai and also one of the MS as well, and those sell so quick. I'm not even be able to get one for myself. And this is the chassis, and you can see here the chassis is ABS. So I think it's really hard for you to see the ABS, but I try my best. Okay, so that's the VZ. Okay, and next, and that's the bracket for the poly. Okay. And next is the wheels, and this is medium size wheels, and this is narrow and white. You can see here this one had tits and this one is flat. Okay, and this is carbon reinforced. Okay, and of course the tire it comes with is the lettering Japan Cup 2020 Tamiya Mini 4WD, and this is super hard. Okay, and that's the tire. And for this one, it comes with the plastic wheel bearings. Okay, and also it comes with the 3.5 high-speed gear. So this is everything for this unit. So now we're gonna see how it looks like after you build it. All right. Okay, so after you guys see how it looks like after you build it, so here is something I want to share with you guys. So as far as I know, if you guys see my video like in my channels, you should know like I'm also collecting all the Japan Cup unit from 2013 until now. So but I have to say, this is the first time the Japan Cup units and come with the poly body. If you see the video I had it before and introduce you all the different type of the Japan Cup units, then you will realize this is the first unit it comes with the poly. Okay, but it's not just the Japan Cup unit comes with the poly body this year, because also this year the Asian Challenge 2020, the Taiwan Asian Challenge, it also comes with the poly body as well for this year, and that is also the first unit come with the poly body in the Asian Challenge unit. Okay, so this is the first thing I want to share with you guys, and this is very good because like me, I collecting the Japan Cup, I am collecting the Asian Challenge unit as well. So those two are really special because it's first car come with the poly body. Okay, and the other thing is, if you guys played uncut version, let's say the tune class, especially if you are in North America, no matter in Toronto, Vancouver, LA, New York, no matter where you are in United States, I think their tune class is like uncut version. So which means this is also a good unit for you to do your tune class, because this already can do the bumperless, so you don't have to worry about the front, how you have to do the setup. And the other thing is, because this unit already comes with very good stuff, let's say poly, carbon reinforced wheels, and the tires, and also comes with the high-speed gear. So there's lots of things you can save your money and save your time as well. So this is a very good options for you. So later on, because like you see the Asian challenge that car, I will do the unboxing. I know there's a lot of people are watching the unboxing or whatever, they have their own units already, but I'm going to do something else except just doing the unboxing. I'm also going to compare something. It comes with the box, including this one. I would do that in the unboxing video. Also compare some parts as well. Alright, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.